Practice set 1.4. Practice set 1.4. Solve the following simultaneous equations. The first one, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15, and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So let us assume let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore we have new set of equations. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15, and 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. Multiplying equation 1 by 4, we have 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. This is our third equation. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 2, we will have to change the signs throughout the equation. So we have 17b is equal to 17, or b is equal to 1. Substituting b is equal to 1 in equation 1, we have 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. Therefore 2a is equal to 15 plus 3, it is 18, or a is equal to 9. Therefore a is equal to 9, but a is also equal to 1 upon x. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9. b is equal to 1. b is also equal to 1 upon y. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore x is 1 upon 9, y is 1. Second sum, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let 1 upon x plus y is equal to a. 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Therefore the new set of equations will be 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, or 5a plus b is equal to 2. This is our first equation. The second equation will be 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. This is our second equation. Multiplying equation 1 by 5, we have 25a plus 5b is equal to 10. This is our third equation. Adding equation 3 to equation 2, we have 40a is equal to 8. Therefore a is equal to 1 upon 5. Substituting the value of a in equation 1, we have 5 into 1 upon 5 plus b is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Therefore we have 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore x plus y is equal to 5, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b is equal to 1. 1 upon x minus y is equal to b is equal to 1. Therefore x minus y is equal to 1. Adding these two equations, we have 2x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 3, and we can find the value of y, which will be y is equal to 2, because x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore if x is 3, then y is 2. Third example, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Let 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Therefore we have 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, and 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. So this is equation 1, equation 2. Adding the two equations, we have 58a plus 58b is equal to 14 and 174. Therefore a plus b is equal to 3. This is our third equation. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we have 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. Therefore a minus b is equal to 1. This is our equation 4. A plus b is equal to 3 is our equation 3. Adding the two, we have 2a is equal to 4 or a is equal to 2. But we know that a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2, and a is also equal to 2. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 2. We know that b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. B is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. But we know that b is equal to 1. Therefore y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. So the solution to this equation is 2 integer 1 upon 2 and minus 2. Fourth, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y. This is equal to 3 upon 4. This will be 3 upon 4. And the second equation is 1 upon multiplying the second equation by 2, we have 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Substituting 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. We have a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is the first equation, and the second equation will be 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Second equation. Adding the two, we have 8a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore b is equal to 3 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. b is equal to 1 upon 2. But we know that a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4, or 3x plus y is equal to 4, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b, and b we know is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore 3x minus y is equal to 2. Adding the 2, we have 6x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 1. Substituting the value of x is equal to 1 in the above equation, we have 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution.